GameStop's down sharply in the pre-market after posting that narrower quarterly loss. Still missed estimates. Revenue did top forecasts as sales grew more than 25%. But CEO Matt Furlong didn't take any questions from analysts on last night's conference call. And is that part of the concern today?
Yeah, look, I set my evening schedule by how many calls I have to do. And there were so many last night at RH, which was fantastic. And look, obviously, Lulu was great. So then I say, oh, my God, I got to start GameStop. And I'm at one end of the GW bridge coming back from Englewood Cliffs. And I was finished it by the end of the other side of GW because there was nothing said. They talked about expanding capacity. Oh, yeah, someone could say it's upside surprise. But adding more fulfillment for what? Now, David, I've been thinking. Ryan Cohen.
Yes.
Right? He made his bones for selling dog food at Chewy, right?
Chewy, yes.
What do you think about this for GameStop?
Okay.
Cat food.
I like it. I see some real synergy there.
Right? I mean, if the man knew dog food, he can crush it in cat food.
It's obvious to me.
Right?
It's obvious, yeah.
So maybe cat litter.
Maybe cat games. Games for cats.
Why not?
Why not?
Now, look, I said that literally because I want people to attack me. I obviously am a masochist. But, you've got to, at some point or another, say who you are and what you're going to do. Or else it's very difficult to keep the balls in the air.
Volume on the name, daily volume, is nowhere near where it was in, say, January, February, March. And that's been the case since mid-June.
I know. This is might be a one where there is no exit. We close, so to speak, David, an existential French novel. I don't know if you've put that in your repertoire.
I don't. I didn't.
Very good. Very good. But I do say I want to distinguish this between AMC. Adam Aron is a magician. The numbers for the weekend were better than 2019. And what we have to start talking about, Carl, is who is besting 2019? I met Ulta today. They're besting 2019. Obviously, RH besting 2019.
40% up from 2019, right? Top line 40% at
So if you're beating 2019, then you are in hologram.
But AMC's value, though, where it is right now,
he's got a lot of time to be able to make it up.
He does. By the way, GameStop also still has a lot of cash. What do they got? $1.78 billion in cash.
They raised a fortune.
Yeah, they raised a lot of money.
ATM.
Now, unclear how you create a growth company from a company that isn't growing. Isn't growing very. I mean, year over year it looks okay, but remember where we were a year ago.
It was up 1,000%, almost 30,000%. What do you think about the idea that maybe this whole revolution, now that everyone's writing books about GameStop, is done?
Really, the memification of things is going to end?
I don't know. They're picking stocks that you can see them with a ticker underneath.
You totally do.
You companies that make lightning bugs in a bottle.
Things get memified every day.
Yeah.
Small companies probably not worth mentioning. $billion-dollar market cap.
Well, that's the problem. I want to talk about them, but they're like
them roll by.
80 million.
Yeah.
Not like what you talk about with SPACs, which all anyone's buzzing about, Carl, is the idea of the vote in favor and then redeem. David, you and I think Gary Gensler from the SEC, the man often lambasted by Coinbase, are focused on this.
We are. Well, I know I am.